What's the big deal? Find out for yourself and join us at Wheelzup in Cumberland, Maryland for an unforgettable adventure. Just show up and we'll take it from there. Enjoy the big deal ride on the Great Allegheny Passage. It's perfect for all ages. 25 miles of adventure starting at the Deal trailhead. Did we mention it's all downhill? Ride on the Eastern Continental Divide. Through the Big Savage Tunnel. Past the Big Savage Vista. And many other attractions. The Big Deal ride has something for everyone. End your journey in charming downtown Cumberland, where the appetite for fun continues. Now you know, this isn't just any bike ride, it's the Big Deal ride. Book today at Wheelzup, your one-stop shop for adventure.